We are a mobile operator in Saudi Arabia. We have adopted managed service back in 2005, as I mentioned in my presentation. Currently, our managed service setup is covering both the network side, both mobile and fixed, plus the IT side. It's a huge setup. In the network side, we have the four major network providers worldwide: Huawei, Ericsson, Alcatel, and Nokia. In addition to some of the fixed fixed network provider like Cisco and Juniper. It's covering all aspects of operation from mobile to fixed, in addition to the IT. In the IT side, we have IBM managing all IT, IBM product and non-IBM product. As I mentioned in the presentation, most of the managed service setup currently relies heavily on KPIs, which is a more technology driven. We need to shift our mindset and start thinking about quality of experience and what the customers are seeing. So it's a major shift in the mindset from what we see as technical people to what the business see and value. What we have done, we start structuring our services from KPIs, getting aggregated in key quality indicators, KPIs, to build our service index. So we build service index across all services that the customers are using or experiencing, okay, based in KPIs and KPIs. It's a major shift, not only from a client side like us or operator side, but also from the provider side. We just did this shift a year ago. It is a very tough transition to change such mindset, and very tough also for network provider to start accepting and adopting, because it's very tough really to commit to an end-to-end quality indicator compared to a basic KPI. As I mentioned in my presentation, this will make us really focus on what business need. For example, when we start building KPIs around some of the services like activation services and services used by our agents to serve a customer, it has resulted significantly in reducing the average handling time and average waiting time in our retail, okay, and better satisfaction for customer visiting our retail. When we start building some KPIs about complaints that customers are facing and services that has problems that customers are using, like payments and also some of the other services, okay, it has resulted in significant improvement and a major reduction on trouble ticket created by the customers or repeated calls for complaints that the customer are facing. This all has resulted in a major improvement in our CSI index, our customer satisfaction index. Using such approach, it has helped us to learn how the customers are experiencing our service and to better support our colleagues in the business. It's my first time really in the Managed Service Congress. I can see it as an informative event. I attended a few sessions in the morning. It's good networking opportunities to see really such, I would say, experts from both provider side as well as operator side. I would really recommend both providers and operators who work in this area to really attend such events and learn from each other. It's a good, really a learning experience for all of us to learn from each other and exchange some of the best practices that can help all of us.